Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can redirect HTTP to HTTPS in Cloudflare. So first, you will log into your Cloudflare account, and once you're here, you will just have to select your desired domain, and then you will just have to click this icon right here, and then click Configure SSL or TLS, and then you will just have to basically look for edge certificates, and to unlock more control and flexibility for your certificates, you will have to activate. And once you see edge certificates, you will just have to click that, and then once you click that, you will just have to enable always use HTTPS, and then you will just have to go um to your rules, and then page rules, and then you will just have to click create page rule, and then after that you will just have to enter your uh okay, so click this template right here, and then you will just have to basically enter your domain with https colon slash slash and asterisk, and then you will just have to choose forwarding url uh to 301 permanent redirect. And yeah, finally you will just have to save the rule and test your website to ensure that all HTTP traffic is redirected to HTTPS. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.